Hello, we are Team Scalar. So this is our Reroute project that we have built. So what it does, it tracks the container all over its journey from start to end, be it roadways, railways, and it also multiple agents that determine which route should it take. If there's any anomalies in the route, like any natural calamities like typhoon or any political dispute or land border dispute that are happening between countries, between oceans, treaty, and all the things are covered in this. So we will have a walkthrough of this project. It would be a short video of 5 minutes. So let's stick to it. Let's start the project. So we'll get started. So I will sign in. So this is our main UI. We will go with evergreen ship. So what it was doing that it was shipping from here to here, but at the Bermuda Triangle, which is at Colombia, there is an tribal issue. So our agent. So first of all, we will walk towards the agents because that is the main backbone of the project. So this is the workflow of the agent. This one is the master orchestrator, and it is divided into two branches. So what we are going to do, we will review the stage 0 to A. It's a new sediment NLP. What it does, it fetches news from the API that is GDLT API, which is a limited one, water dispute ones. So this will execute and give a result to multimodal pathfinder. So we will come to it later, but first we will go to weather telemetry. What weather telemetry does is having an API of maritime RSS Geo, which is a free API which has all the weather information about wind speed, altitude, latitude, temperature, humidity. It is having more than 10 parameters of each location, that is latitude into longitude. So you can make sense of it. It is basic geography. After which both the inputs are fed into the multimodal pathway. So what it does, if the path which it has been originally planned to go on is it is safe, it would guide that, and if not, it will also suggest alternative path. And there is policy and SLA validator. What it the system behind it is an AI agent which also integrates RAG. So policy is like every country has their own policy, and no country wants to display their own policy to every other out there. As we have used as a vector database. After which it also like if the path is having its countries, so it would trigger that RAG and it would generate the output of it. So this was of policy and SLA validation. Then we have safeguard gates. So what it does, it evaluates that the cost of the per container or per product is not more than $5,000, $50,000, and if that is the case, then it would consider some alternative. Then at the end we have Polygon settlement. What it does, it is Web3 integration to this, so that it can be made transparent as well as it cannot be untampered. Like various equipments are being tampered. Is executed, and we will see the result in command center. And along with it, all the models that you see here are deployed on Hugging Face itself. So if you want, you can visit there also. It takes as JSON as an input and return JSON as an output. The input fields are about 10 to 15, but the output fields are about 20 to 25. It includes everything alternative path, and if there is an alternative path, it is a nested JSON file which is having a different path. So this is so here the red dots you can see, like the red zone. These are critically endangered, like arms attack. Then you have Strait of Hormuz here. It is the most disturbed one here. So you can see it is having 2 red circles and 1 orange circles. So we will see for another shipment also. So here is it. And we also have some information below here. So for shipment, normal unoptimized route, it would take up to 317 hours, and all the budgets and all are listed here. So you can see what we have to do.
The containers by their locations, like here you can see in the simulations, we are playing play progression, and the container moves around the path of its destination. So you can see this was its destination. It's around Washington, I guess. Then here you can see there are tokens. There are blockchain tokens. So we have deployed this on a blockchain, so nobody can tamper it. So when we click this, you can see this is deployed on Polygon scan, and here you can see all the routes it took, or all the terminals